resolution, but becoming a more productive grade 9 student. We all know the saying, new year, new me. And we all know we don't really do that saying often. Even though I think I won't follow my resolution, I still want to make 2025 my most productive year yet. High school can be overwhelming at times, but I believe that with better habits and a clear plan, I can manage my time and responsibilities more effectively. That's why my New Year's resolution is to become more productive in my studies and daily life. First, I will start setting clear goals for myself. For example, I want to improve all my grades this quarter and try to get highest honors and get physically stronger so I won't be soft in football. These goals will give me something to look for and help me measure in my progress throughout the year. Second, I plan to manage my time better. Usually I waste my free time by sticking my nose to any screen instead of doing more productive activities. To overcome this, I should be making schedules for my daily life. Like on Saturdays, I should wake up at like 6 a.m. to bike for an hour before eating breakfast, then do chores and studies until lunch, then take a short nap before going to foot practice, then use the rest of my time that I have for screen time until 11 p.m. The last way I can boost my productivity is by staying focused. It's easy to get distracted, especially with my phone or TV nearby. To prevent any distractions, I should just lock the gadgets so I won't see it and think, squeezing a bit of free time in return, and then end up not following my schedule. By following these steps, I'm confident that I can become a more productive student. I know that there's a high chance of me not doing any of this, but I am determined to stay consistent and make this year a success. After all, hard work now will help me achieve my goals and prepare for an even brighter future.